welcome to my channel. Today I have a very exciting video for you guys. I went to the Hermes store and went and did a little bit of shopping, so I'd love to share with you what I got from Hermes. So a little backstory, I went to the store because I wanted to purchase one of the Hermes throws, and it has been out of stock online for a very long time. We just haven't been able to get the throws that we wanted online, so I figured that we would, check the store and see if they had anything in stock. And luckily we were able to book an appointment and they had the ones in stock. I also asked for a bag that has been on my wish list, and to my surprise they also had that in stock, and I was very lucky that I was able to get both the bag and the throw that I wanted. So without further ado, here, let's get into the video where I show you the unboxing of it. First, I'm going to share with you the throw that I got. It comes in this really beautiful packaging. So I believe this is the Avalon throw. I'll make sure to link everything in the description box. Usually they do have it in stock online, so I encourage everyone to check out online to see what they have. But the color that I wanted was very specific. I love it so much. So this is the color that my boyfriend and I really wanted. We were choosing between this and the black one, but we ended up choosing the neutral color one just because we know that it matches our home aesthetic a little bit better and also kind of brightens out the living room space. So we're going to have this drape over our sofa, and I just love the color of this. So I actually do have the maroon one as well, but I felt that the maroon one is kind of seasonal and it felt only appropriate to bring it out during holiday season, like Christmas time, and we wanted something that can be more year-round, and this is what I chose. And this guy has been out of stock ever since, I believe, November timeframe when we were looking at it. So we didn't really expect them to have it in stock, so I'm really happy with this. It is so cozy, so soft. It's very versatile, and in the front you can see it's mostly, I believe it's reversible where it has different patterns. Yeah, that's right. So there are different patterns where you can kind of switch it up to your own liking. This side has more of the beige tone with the brown on the side, and then if you flip to the other side, it has mostly the cognac brown color. So you can just kind of see what you like. But this was my first Hermes throw that I bought this year. Let's put that in the background just to see how it looks like on the bed. I quickly draped it over our bed so you can kind of see what the pattern looks like. So that's the first item that I got. The next item, which is the item that I'm most excited about because it is a handbag. Okay, so for those who are very familiar with Hermes, you probably can already guess based off of the box what this bag is. Yeah, let's open it. It's beautifully wrapped. Comes in a dust bag. So this is actually my very first Hermes bag, so I'm really excited about it. And it is the Picotin. So I got the Picotin in Noir, or black, and it is in silver hardware. So originally I actually wanted gold hardware. I thought it looked really elegant with the gold, but they only had silver hardware in stock, which I thought it was fine because a lot of my bags are actually black and gold hardware combos, so I figured it would be a nice contrast. Plus I really wanted, the one that I wanted was in black, and I figured Picotin is a bag that is not a quota bag, but it is a little bit harder to find these days, especially in the States, because stocks has been really low. And I did pick up a Twilly to go with it. I've always loved the look of a Twilly on the back, especially on the Picotin when they kind of tie it up into a bow. Thought it looked really nice. It's a great summer bag, but I think without the Twilly, or if you switch up the Twilly into a more neutral color, it'll be great for winter as well. It actually comes with the lock, which I will share with you. There's the lock, the keys, and here is the silver lock. So this is in palladium hardware. Let's see if it focuses. There we go. Oh. So what you do is you clip the lock onto this, which I'll share with you how to do so. So unlock it. And for those of you guys who are familiar with Hermes and the Picotin bag, please share with me how you store your keys, whether or not you keep it with you. I think that's one of the things I'm most afraid of, is to lose those keys. There we go. So once you have your lock on, it just looks so beautiful. I love it. And this is what it looks like on the back. It does come with feet, so it has 4 feet to protect the bag's bottom. And I kind of want to share with you the detail of the Twilly because I thought it was quite unique. So this is a Twilly design, and it almost looks like a kind of like a comic style. Yeah, so I'll link it down below if I can find the exact same style. Alrighty, so next, let me share with you a surprise that my essay got for Lunar New Year. They actually gifted us red envelopes, which I thought was really, really sweet of them. So it comes with a little sticker sheet. Here's the envelope. It's so cute. It has the Hermes emblem, like the motif, and inside it actually comes with a little pamphlet with a tiger. You can open this part up, and it has to pop it open. It shows you the little tiger motif. So cute. By opening this up, the horse gets replaced by the tiger. I really appreciate that detail. Doing more videos on the Picotin, how I like it, and also what fits. I think my next video is going to share with you guys what fits, and then also the insert that I bought. Hope you guys have a great day, and if you're celebrating Lunar New Year, happy Lunar New Year to you guys. But yeah, bye.